Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for name correction in your ration card online. First, gather all necessary documents like your original ration card, proof of identity, and the document with the correct name. Next, navigate to your state's official Food and Civil Supplies Department website. Look for the section dedicated to online services or ration card amendments to begin the process. Once on the correct page, you will likely need to register for a new account or log in if you already have one. Carefully fill in all the required details on the online application form, ensuring accuracy. After completing the form, upload clear, scanned copies of your supporting documents. Make sure each file is legible and meets any specified size or format requirements. After submitting your application and documents, you may be prompted to pay a small processing fee online. This payment is usually required to finalize your submission. Crucially, remember to save or note down your unique application reference number. This number is essential for tracking the progress of your name correction request on the portal until it is approved. Once your application is approved, you will be notified, and your corrected ration card will be ready. Depending on your state system, you might be able to download a digital copy or collect a physical card from a designated office. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your updated ration card and the convenience of online services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.